Hello, my name is Loris A. Oligario, but you can call me Teacher Lau. And I was born and raised in the Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And also, I acquired my master's degree of Arts in Education, major in English. I am a licensed professional teacher and also a public school teacher here in the Philippines. I've been teaching children to adults for about 6 years now and counting on a physical setting. Also, I've handled grade 9 students and experienced handling different grade levels before. My journey in education began because I believe that every student has the potential to succeed when provided with the right support and encouragement. As a teacher, I developed and implemented a variety of innovative teaching strategies to accommodate diverse learning styles, whether it's through hands-on activities, collaborative projects, or technology integration. I strive to make learning both enjoyable and impactful. I am a firm believer in continuous professional development and staying current with educational trends. I regularly attend workshops, participate in webinars, and collaborate with fellow educators to enhance my teaching practices. Collaboration within colleagues and creating a strong community within the school is something that I deeply value. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my skills and enthusiasm to teach Taiwan and contribute to a thriving academic environment. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team and making a positive impact on the lives of your students. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.